हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो में। आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 10 इंग्लिश प्रोज का 7वां चैप्टर। तो चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। राइट T फॉर ट्रू एंड F फॉर फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स। नंबर 1, द vitality of Indian culture is not amazing. True. Number 2, the ancient world threw up fine flowers of civilization in many lords. False. Number 3, the old civilization and culture have grown up and changed only in Japan. True. Number 4, the Aryans were regarded as the earliest invaders of the land. False. Answer the following questions briefly. Question number 1. Who has delivered the speech, The Unity of Indian Culture? Answer. The speech, The Unity of Indian Culture was delivered by Humayun Kabir. Question number 2. How were the Aryan regarded till recently? Answer. Until recently, the Aryans were considered the earliest invaders of India. Question number 3. How did the pre-Aryans build up a new civilization? Answer. The pre-Aryans built a sophisticated civilization that has impressed modern scholars with its scale and complexity. Question number 4. What according to author is the most remarkable feature of Indian culture? Answer. According to the author, the most remarkable feature of Indian culture is its enduring spiritual unity throughout history. Question number 5. Where have old civilization and culture grown and changed? Answer. Old civilization and culture have evolved and transformed primarily in India and to some degree in China. Answer the following questions briefly. Number 1. What has been the policy of the Indians in all spheres of life? Answer. The policy of Indians in all spheres of life has been live and let live, emphasizing tolerance and coexistence. Number 2. What is preferable to fanatic devotion? Answer. Tolerance is preferable to fanatic devotion as the latter often leads to denial and persecution of other values. Number 3. Which spirit underlines the changes of Indian history? Answer. The spirit of underlying unity which informs diverse expressions of life characterizes the changes in Indian history. Number 4. How does Humayun Kabir define culture? Answer. Humayun Kabir defines culture as a complex concept comprising multiple strands of varying importance and vitality. Number 5. How does Humayun Kabir define civilization? Answer. According to Humayun Kabir, civilization is the organization of society that creates the conditions for culture to thrive. Number 6. What does the experience of European countries give us? Answer. The experience of European countries provides examples of civilizations that may lack cultural depth or diversity. Long answer questions. Number 1. What in your opinion are the characteristics features of Indian culture? Answer. The most remarkable feature of Indian culture is its underlying unity amidst diversity. This unity persists through India's vast geographical area, long history and a diverse population. Unlike many other civilizations, Indian culture has shown remarkable adaptability and resilience, evolving while maintaining its core essence. The sense of Indianness acts as a unifying force, binding together various threads of race, language, and custom into a cohesive national fabric. Indian culture is characterized by its spirit of tolerance, exemplified by the live and let live philosophy. This approach has allowed for the assimilation of various influences without losing its fundamental identity. The culture's ability to readjust and accommodate new ideas while preserving its core values has ensured its continuity and relevance through the ages. Number 2. How is Indian culture different from the culture of other countries? Answer. Indian culture stands out for its unique combination of unity and continuity. Unlike many European countries where there might be examples of civilization without a deep-rooted culture or stark differences between the cultural experiences of different social classes, Indian culture permeates all levels of society. The continuity of Indian culture is particularly noteworthy. While many ancient civilizations have disappeared, Indian culture has evolved and adapted without losing its core identity. This continuous thread of cultural development has allowed for gradual growth and extension throughout all sections of society. The ability to absorb and integrate diverse influences while maintaining a distinct cultural identity sets Indian culture apart from many others. Number 3. Explain clearly the difference between culture and civilization. Answer. Culture and civilization are closely interrelated but distinct concepts. Culture is the expression of a society's way of life, manifesting through language, art, philosophy, religion, social customs, political institutions, and economic organizations. It represents the collective intellectual and creative achievements of a society. Civilization, on the other hand, refers to the organizational structures and systems that create the conditions for culture to flourish. It encompasses the material and technological advancements of a society identity. While civilization provides the framework, culture is the content that fills and animates this framework. A civilization can exist without a highly developed culture, but a rich culture typically requires a supportive civilization. Culture is often seen as the refined or elevated aspects of civilized life, the efflorescence of civilization. In essence, civilization is the stage while culture is the performance that takes place on that stage. Number 4. What is the capacity of adjustment exhibited in the Indian society? Is it the strength or the weakness of Indian society? Answer. Indian society has consistently demonstrated a remarkable capacity for readjustment rooted in the principle of live and let live and the spirit of tolerance. This adaptability has been a defining feature of Indian history, allowing the civilization to evolve while maintaining its core identity. Unlike many ancient civilizations that have vanished, Indian culture has survived and thrived by integrating new influences without losing its fundamental unity. The capacity for readjustment is primarily a strength of Indian society as it has enabled cultural continuity and resilience in the face of diverse challenges. However, when taken to extremes, it can potentially lead to unfavorable conditions. Nonetheless, this adaptability coupled with the preservation of noble qualities has been crucial in shaping India's enduring cultural landscape. Number 5. Discuss the main ideas contained in the text. Answer. The text emphasizes the unbroken unity and continuity of Indian cultures as its central theme. Despite numerous invasions and external influences throughout history, Indian civilization has demonstrated remarkable resilience and adaptability. From pre-Aryan times through various waves of migration and conquest, India has consistently absorbed and integrated new elements while maintaining its core cultural identity. This cultural vitality is attributed to India's underlying unity amid diversity, which has allowed it to weave different threads into a cohesive national fabric. Unlike many ancient civilizations that have disappeared, Indian culture has grown and evolved without sacrificing its fundamental unity. This resilience is largely due to the society's capacity for readjustment and its spirit of tolerance. The text also highlights the unique aspects of Indian culture such as its depth, duration, and inclusivity. It contrasts Indian civilization with European societies, noting that India has managed to spread its culture more evenly across different social classes. The steady, unbroken growth of Indian culture without violent disruptions is presented as a testament to its strength and universality. Word study. Number 1. Correct the spelling of the following words. Answer. Infusion, attitude, fervent, exception, concept, violent, length, texture, society. Number 2. Make 10 words using the suffix ion. Hints. Mark the following words taken from the lesson. Tolerate, toleration. Civilize, civilization. Infuse, infusion. Organize, organization. Answer. Action, commutation, commission, fixation, hesitation, impulsion, injunction, injection, insertion, notion. Number 3. Find out from the lesson words the meaning of which have been given on the left hand side. The last part of each word is given on the right hand side. Answer. Uncivilized dash riyan, banma badan. Number 2. Large kettle dash drawn, cauldron. Number 3. Structure dash texture. Number 4. Twisted threads making a fabric dash strands. Number 5. Blossoming of flower dash cephalorescence. Number 6. Tribes that keep moving from one place to another, hordes. Number 2. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. The pre-Aryans built up a new dash civilization. The Greek invaders were dash followed. We find our dash unity of spirit in Indian culture markable. The vitality of Indian culture is equally dash amazing. Indian social custom is a dash of many different strains and elements blend. Culture is the dash of civilization efflorescence. Phrases. Read the lesson carefully and find out the sentences in which the following phrases have been used. A blend of on the other hand, in fact, at times in spite of on the contrary. Answer. A blend of whatever is Indian, whether it be an idea, a word, a form of art, a political institution or a social custom is a blend of many different strains. Arid on the other hand, in India on the other hand, even the casual tourists has observed. In fact, it is this underlying unity which is one of the most remarkable features of Indian culture. At times, the difference in quality between the masses and the classes is at times so great that it has shaken the faith of the most fervent of democrats. In spite of this derivation from many sources and the consequent variety of forms and types. On the contrary, a steady growth and extension of culture which has gradually permeated every class and section of society. Grammar. Number 1. Now change the following sentences into passive voice. People loved Gandhiji. Answer. Gandhiji was was loved. Number 2. Police caught the thief red-handed. Answer. The thief was caught red-handed by the police. Number 3. Thieves took away all the money. Answer. All the money was taken away by thieves. Number 4. Someone stole my watch. Answer. My watch was stolen. Number 5. People think that the earth is round. Answer. It is thought that the earth is round. Number 2. Now change these sentences in active voice into passive voice. Number 1 answer. I am taught English by her. Number 2. I was given a book by him. Number 3. I was asked several questions by Mohan. Number 4. I was offered a good job by them. Number 5. Sanskrit was taught him by me. Picture composition. Change into passive verb. Answer. I have to be taught by my teacher. A car had to be bought by Robin. The door was to be closed by Binayak. The trees is to be planted by my father. The forest has to be saved by the people. The blind have to be helped by us. A song is to be sung by Kamal Kishore. Change into passive. Answer. By whom is the bird helped? Is a story being written by him? Why does it want to be done by you? Was a car bought by Rekha? The door should be closed. You are requested to solve the problem. Let the letter be posted. Translation. Translate the following passage from the lesson into Hindi or your mother tongue. Culture is the efflorescence of civilization. Civilization is the organization of society which creates the condition of culture. There can therefore be no culture without civilization, but there may be civilization which have not yet developed their culture. Perhaps what is more often the case is that there are civilized people among whom only a small section have achieved culture. We have therefore had and still have races and nations that are civilized, but except for India, we have not yet had any nation or race that could be regarded as cultured in all its sections and classes. For here in India, culture is almost as extensive as civilization. संस्कृति सभ्यता का फूल है. सभ्यता समाज का मनगठन है जो संस्कृति की क्षरता का निर्माण करता है. ऐसा हो सकता है इसलिए सभ्यता के बिना संस्कृति नहीं, लेकिन सभ्यता हो सकती है जो अब तक अपनी संस्कृति का विकास नहीं कर पाई है. संभवतः और बहुधा ऐसा है कि सभ्य लोगों के बीच कुछ ही लोग संस्कृति को प्राप्त कर सके हैं. इसलिए पहले भी और अभी भी ऐसी जातियां और गोष्ठ है जो सभ्य है, लेकिन भारत को छोड़कर अब तक दूसरा देश नहीं मिल पाया है जो सभी क्षेत्रों में और वर्गों में सुसंस्कृत हो. भारत में संस्कृति सभ्यता की तरह विस्तृत है. और इसी के साथ आज का सोल्यूशन वीडियो यही समाप्त होता है. जल्द लौटेंगे और एक सोल्यूशन वीडियो के साथ. तब तक कीप लर्निंग.